Body Systems is a powerful, targeted scan that provides deeper insight into the body's key systems, such as circulation, endocrine, lymphatic, digestive, and more. Instead of manually selecting hundreds of markers from your vitals and comprehensive scans, Body Systems streamlines the process by automatically focusing on the most relevant frequencies for each system. It makes scanning easier and more accurate, ensuring you don't miss any important markers while saving you valuable time. Let's walk through it. When you open it, you'll see a list of the systems available, and by default, they're all selected. For a full scan, just leave everything checked. If you only want to focus on one system, tap Deselect All, then check only the section you want to scan. And begin your scan. The scan takes a couple of minutes to complete. It analyzes each section and automatically runs energetic optimization to help restore balance. Once complete, your Body Systems report will be ready. This report includes a visual overview of the system, an educational summary about its role in the body, a breakdown of related vitals, causes, emotional contributors, and suggested ways to support balance, and insights into whether imbalances are acute or chronic. If you're new to AO Scan, we recommend starting with 3 full scans using Inner Voice, Vitals, and Comprehensive. This helps the system get to know your energetic patterns. After that, Body Systems can be used weekly or even more frequently to focus on specific concerns that show up repeatedly. And that's Body Systems, a powerful way to understand and support your body, one system at a time.